Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device, and if you play the game for the first time, you will be asked to complete the basic tutorial levels. After completing these levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which you will see the settings or the menu button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it and then tap on settings, and you will gain access to the settings page. From this page, if you wish to turn off vibration, simply tap on the haptic feedback button and set it to off. Once you turn this off, you will not receive any vibrations within the game while you play it. You can turn this setting back to on if you wish to turn back on vibrations at any time you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off vibrations within the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.